You know, if you've had ink on your clothes before, you know it can be really hard to remove. But if they're white clothes, it's not quite as bad. But when they're colors, like something like this, and you get that ink stain on there, it can be really hard not to remove the ink and the color. So today I'm going to show you a really surprising way to do it. Now, I like to isolate my stains when I'm going to soak them. So I'm going to take my stain, and I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to make a little pouch out of it. Now, see how it's right in there? It's just a little pouch. Then I take a rubber band and I put around it nice and tight. So let me just twist this around good. And the reason I'm doing this is by tightening that down and turning it into a little isolated stain, it doesn't spread anywhere. And that's the most important part. All right, we're going to put this in a bowl and we're just going to let it sit. And then the most important part, milk. We're going to take milk. Now, don't use skim milk. Use whole milk or 2%. You need that milk fat to make it work. So we're going to pour the milk over it, and we're just going to let that soak down in that milk. And you know what? Give it half an hour, 35, 40 minutes. When you come back, lift it up, make sure it's gone. Give it a rub between your fingers if it's not. If it's not gone, soak it again, but don't take the rubber band off until you're ready to launder it. When you're ready to launder, rinse it, throw it in the wash, and you're done. It's amazing what you can do with milk. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.